Namaste friends. Normally we need to combine two cells value into one cell value means we just manually type the value. Example, for normal method we will try that if we need to combine the first and last name means we can just manually type the first name, and also similar way we will follow all the steps. But in shortcut method we don't record this much time. Simply we can type a mentioned formula like use the equal symbol, and also we need to combine the first name like a2 cell value, so we can click the a2 and also press the and simple. After that we need to combine the value of b2, so we can choose b2 value. Okay, after that you can just please note the formula. After that you can press the enter button. Okay, now click the C2 cell value means it shows that formula A2 and B2. If we need to follow the same process to entire list means we can just drop that formula into entire list. Okay, I think it's working now. Okay, formula is A2 and B2. Okay, this is a formula. SQ all first.